Hello everyone, this is Mark here from the Shading Company in Houston, Texas. On this Friday, working hard, completing this project for a residential customer. Customer just built his home and he asked us to furnish about 10 of his window openings with blackout motorized roller shades. In this, I'm here in a media room, very nice setup media room. The customer's looking for a full blackout. We're in the process of installing these shades right now, but we have the 3 units up with its. Right now they're open. These come with a fascia. We also are in the process right now installing the vertical blackout rails, and as you can see right there on the bottom sill, there's the horizontal bottom rail. So when the fabric comes down, there's going to be complete blackout. I'm gonna show you quickly in this video how everything works. These units are product comes from Timber Blinds. They are using Sunfeet RTS motors. The customer is going to be able to control the units individually. There's 3 units here, channel 1, 2, 3. Then a 4 is empty, but we have then an all function. The customer can bring them out down at the same time. I'm gonna go ahead and bring these units down. You can see the fabric, it's going to its lower limit. As I mentioned, we're in the process of cutting down the vertical rails that's going to go between all these units, so that you see that ambient lighting that's going to be coming in on the sides right now is going to be removed with the rails that we're going to be installing here shortly. I'm going to bring them up individually so you can see that the customer has the ability to operate them individually if he wants, or at the same time. As you can see, unit 1 and unit 3 almost, unit 1 got to its upper limit, unit 3 just got there, and the center one, unit 2 is getting to its upper limit now. The customer is going to be able to black out this area, enjoy his home theater with a full blackout, no light coming in from that opening. And you're in the market for any interior roller shades, motorized, manual, blackout, solar protection, don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, this is Mark from the Shading Company. Thank you.